Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Avinash Kumar. Welcome back to AsanaX. In this video, we will learn about Ardha Matsyendrasana step by step. Before we start, avoid this pose if you have recent spinal surgery, severe back pain or slipped disc, recent hip or knee injury, pregnancy, unless advised by a qualified yoga instructor. Move gently and never force the twist. Step 1. Sit in Dandasana with both legs stretched forward. Keep your spine straight. Step 2. Fold your right leg beside the right hip if comfortable. Bend your left knee and place your left foot beside the right knee. Step 3. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale as you twist to the left. Place your left hand behind you and your right elbow outside left knee. Step 4. Look over your left shoulder. Keep spine tall, breathe normally and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Step 5. Inhale and return to center. Repeat the same on the opposite side. Avoid these common mistakes: rounding the back, twisting only the neck instead of spine, holding the breath, forcing the twist, lifting the sitting bones off the floor. Benefits: regular practice of Ardha Matsyendrasana may improve spinal flexibility and posture, strengthens the back and core muscles, support healthy digestion and help relieve constipation, stimulate the liver and pancreas, supporting overall digestive system, support healthy blood sugar management when combined with a healthy lifestyle and medical care, help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Note: yoga supports overall health but does not replace medical treatment. So that's how you practice Ardha Matsyendrasana correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. In next video, we will learn about Vakrasana. If you want to learn Surya Namaskar, then please visit here. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.